Hi, kumusta? Yes, kumusta ka? How are you? And I hope you don't tell me I'm okay if you are not really okay. Let's face it, a lot of us say we are okay, but we are not really okay in the real sense. Our life gets so busy. We get so busy with work, with family, with errands, with our goals. And then we end up forgetting about our wellness. And alam mo ba, if you don't give time for your health now, you will be forced to give time for your sickness later. Nakakatakot, diba? Ayaw natin yun. Hindi pwedeng puro trabaho na lang. And hindi pwedeng hinahabol natin yung pahinga. Recently nga, nakakasad kasi nalaman ko yung barkada ng isang friend ko, very young, she passed away, tapos merong 2-year-old son, tapos yun namang brother-in-law ng isang kakilala ko, na stroke. And same thing, uncle ng isang kakilala ko din na stroke. So alam mo yung napaka-common na nitong mga sakit na everyday meron kang naririnig na may mga malulubhang karamdaman. Pero pwedeng iwasan to, di ba? Kasi yung wellness, choice natin yan eh. Option mo na magpahinga kung napapagod ka. Option mo rin na kumain ng masustansya. And option mo rin na umiwas sa stress, magkaroon ng peace of mind, or gumalaw kahit 15 minutes man lang per day. Pero ikaw, ano ba ang mga choices mo para sa'yo, sa katawan mo? Are you making the right choices? Today, I encourage you to drink at least 2 liters of water each day, to take a deep breath, take that 15-minute walk, and of course, use a wellness tool like the iTerra Care to charge your body. Remember, you cannot pour from an empty cup. This is not out of selfishness, but out of love. Because when you are well, you are able to give your best to others, to your family, to the people you care for, to your community, and to your friends. Take care of yourself because you deserve to feel good. And guess what makes me feel good every day? It's using the iTerra Care on myself. If you want to know what this device can do for your wellness, drop me a message and let's talk about it.